here's the TSD60, my machine, and here's the modem. Here I use a cable. If I use the hole, there are two holes. I use this hole for later antenna installation. If the cable go from the rear this way, I will measure how long the cable will be needed. Then I will close the door. Here, and you see the door is almost closed. There's a tape for measurement. Now I change this another side. Not let the cable go from the rear. It will go from the front. From this hole and then across to this. I measure along the cable. Okay, here's mark. Let's measure how long the cable will be needed. This is the first one. If the cable go from rear, that will require about 80 centimeters. But it go from the front, should be require about 95 centimeters long.